In this video, we will learn how to download and install the latest version of Microsoft Office in Windows 11. It is not even specific to Windows 11. You can download the Microsoft Office in any version of Windows by using the same process. It means you can download it in Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 11. To download it, first we have to open a browser, and you can open a browser of your choice. You can use Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser that you have installed in your system. So for example, here I'm having this Microsoft Edge, and let's open it. After opening your browser, you have to type the website office.com. This is the official website of Microsoft Office, and you can get everything from this website. So basically we need to download it, and before downloading it, we need to sign in this website. To sign in this application, either we can click on this sign in button, or you can click on this top right corner button. So let's click on this one, and here you have to enter the details of your account. So let's say here I'm typing my email ID. Here at this place, based on your account configuration, you have to type either the password, or you have to approve the request from your mobile phone, or any other process that you have set up for your account. Now I have logged into this office.com website by using my account. Now over here we have two options. First is this install Office, and second is this buy Office. To use the Microsoft Office, you need a subscription, and you can buy that subscription by clicking on this button. First, let's have a look on this install Office. If I click on this one, then you will see we have two options. First is Go Premium, and second one is I have a product key. If you have a product key, then let's click on this one. Let's assume we are having a product key. It will redirect us to a new website, that is setup.office.com, then the home. On this website, there are a couple of steps, and as a first step, you have to log in by using the Microsoft account. You can click on this sign in button, and you can log in into this website. If you do not have the Microsoft account, then you can click on this create new account button, and you can create a new account, and that account is completely free. Once you will have the account, then you can enter your product key. So what is the benefit of logging in this website? So basically it will link your product key with your account. In future, if you want to log into office.com, then you can see all the applications on the browser, and you can also download the Office in your other system. So basically it is a mapping in between your product key and your account. Now let's assume that you do not have the product key. Then we can click either on this Go Premium. So it will redirect us to this particular pop-up, or I can also click on this Buy Office. So this will also open the same pop-up. Here we have two options. If you want to buy it for your personal use, then you can use this one. Here is the amount. Based on your country, you will get the different currency over here. And if you want to have it for entire family, then you can use this option. Let's click on this one. Now we have to pay this amount every year, and we can click on this next button. Now it is time to enter the payment details, and we can buy this subscription. Now let's assume that we already have the Microsoft Office subscription on our email ID. Now I will try to log in using another email that has the Microsoft subscription. So first I can sign out from this particular website. There we go. And this time let's sign in again. Let's use another account. Now I have logged into this website by using another account, and this account has the subscription. Let's understand what are the changes. So here on the left side, you will see all the applications. It is the Outlook, then we have Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you can get all of them over here. But if you want to install it in your system, then you can use this option. We have this install Office, and here are two more options. Either we can install all the applications of this Office 365 applications, or we can also click on this other install options. So first let's click on this first option. So this will download an exe in the system. It is Office setup basically. Let's click on this one. before installing this Microsoft Office, make sure you have the admin rights on your system, because during the installation you will definitely need them. Now you can sit back, relax, and the system will download all the applications automatically. All you need is an internet connection. This installation will take couple of minutes because it is installing so many applications. Let's wait. Looks like the installation is done because we are getting this message. You are all set, Office is installed now. Okay, so before clicking on this close button and checking about all the applications, first let's have a look what is available in the second option. So over here in this install Office we are having one more option, and let's click on this one. Over here you can see there are couple of more options. So if I click on this apps and devices, then you will see we have this Office, and you can install the Office in your system. Here is the language. If you are in other country, then you can choose the language based on your country, and you can also use the version. In case you want to download the 32-bit, then you can choose it from this place and simply hit on this install Office button. If you have already downloaded the Microsoft Office in your other systems, then you can get the details of all those systems by clicking on this devices menu. Then if you want to download the Skype for Business application, then you can choose the appropriate version from here, and you can install it by clicking on this install Skype button. There are a couple of more options over here, and you can manage your entire Office from this place. Now let's close this website because we don't need it now, and let's have a look on this installation part. So if I click on this close button, it is done. Now I can search for all the applications in my system. And to search in your system, either you can use window Q and you can search. Let's say I'm searching for Word. Click on this one and you can see the MS Word is working fine. Now we are getting this message for the privacy settings applied. Let's hit the OK button. Now we need to accept the license agreement. Hit on the accept button. Now over here again you have to log in with the same account that has the subscription. And here by default I'm logged in to my current Windows account, and this account does not have the license. Okay, let's click on any one of them. Let's say I'm clicking on this blank document. If you do not have the subscription, then you will see the trial version. Once your trial period is over, then you must log in using your proper email ID. And to do that, you can click again over here and click on this sign in with a different account. And you can enter your email ID that has the subscription. And here you can choose two options: allow my organization to manage this device, or no, sign into this app only. You can choose any one of them. Let's say I'm clicking on this one, and now you will notice that the account has been changed over here. In case you want to sign out from this particular Office, then you can again click on this menu and you can use this sign out button. Okay, there are so many applications in the Microsoft Office and we have logged in only to the MS Word. Let's say I want to open the Excel. Over here you will notice that you are automatically logged in to this Excel also. It means if you have logged into one single application, you will be logged in to all the applications automatically. Let's open the PowerPoint also. Here we have the PowerPoint, and it is also having the same account that we have logged in. This is how we can download and install the latest version of Microsoft Office in our system.